Can you make a cute dog using just PowerPoint? Absolutely. Let me show you how in second. In this video, we will create an adorable dog using only PowerPoint shape. Let's get started. Start by drawing a circle. Fill it with your chosen color and remove the outline. Now, duplicate the circle, reduce its size and change its color slightly. This will be the inner face. Use the rounded rectangle shape to create floppy ears. Click on slideshow to see your cute dog in full screen. That's it. You have just created a dog using only PowerPoint shape. Simple and fun. If you enjoy this, like and subscribe for more PowerPoint art tutorials. And for downloadable PPTs, check out the description below.